Here I am going to show you an offensive play for basketball. Here you can see that the yellow player has the ball, that the blue player is outside the 3-point line, so is red, and orange is on this side, black is on this side. What's going to happen here is that yellow is going to move up to the 3-point line here, blue is going to move up to the key on one side, and red's going to move up to the key on the other side. Black is going to move up over here, right across from the basket, and orange is going to do the same thing on the other side. Then, seeing as yellow has the ball, once yellow has the ball, they're going to move up to the 3-point line, who in turn is going to pass it to blue, who's going to pass it to red, who's going to pass it back to yellow, who's going to pass it to orange. And then orange is going to travel up here and pass it back to blue, who's passing it to black, who passes it to red, who passes it to orange, who scores. Now, it bounces around a lot, so it confuses the other players, therefore making it easier to score.